Hey, Wayne Carey here. If you want your home to be efficient and cost effective, that's where Houdini Plumbing comes in with their expert heat pump installation services. These heat pumps aren't just powerful, they're also incredibly efficient, helping you cut down on those hefty energy bills. Houdini Plumbing's heat pumps are designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring you're enjoying comfort all year round. Make the smart choice for your wallet and the environment. Check out Houdini Plumbing and see how much you can save. Houdini Plumbing, efficient, comfort and smarter savings.